A marking gauge is usually made of shisham wood. It consists of a wooden beam on which a wooden stock slides. This block can be adjusted at the required measurement using a thumb screw. The beam is provided with a spur or a steel pin at its far end. Use a steel ruler to take the measurements. Set the marking gauge by loosening the screw and shift the stock at the requisite distance from the spur. Once you have set the stock, tighten the thumb screw to secure it. Push the marking gauge in a manner that the spur touches the wooden piece at all times, making a continuous scratch. Remember, the side should be at the right angle to make a parallel line on the wooden piece.